Just like any other part of our body, teeth and tongue also play a vital role. They help us in chewing our food properly. Students, partial digestion of the food takes place in the mouth itself. So it is very important to chew our food properly before we swallow it. And our teeth and tongue help us in doing so. Other than this, they give shape to our face. They help us in speaking clearly. Our tongue helps us in tasting and moving the food in our mouth. Students, all human beings have two sets of teeth during their lifetime. The first set of teeth is called as the milk teeth and the other set is known as the permanent teeth. When a baby is born, it has no teeth. The first tooth comes out when the baby is about 6 months old. By the age of 2 to 3 years, a baby has 20 teeth. This first set of teeth is the milk teeth. At the age of 6 years, the milk teeth begins to fall and they are replaced by the permanent teeth. By the age of 12 years, all milk teeth are replaced by a set of 28 permanent teeth. Between the age of 12 to 21 years, 4 more teeth come out, which are called as wisdom teeth. So, there are 32 permanent teeth in an adult which cannot be replaced once broken. Parts of a teeth. Let's understand the structure of a tooth in detail. Students, a tooth is divided into two main parts, crown and root. Crown is the visible part of a tooth. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body that covers the crown. It protects the tooth from wear and tear. The dentine is a yellow bone-like layer that supports the enamel. It protects the inner pulp. Pulp is a soft substance that contains nerves and blood vessels. It is the innermost part of a tooth that fills the empty spaces. Gums are the soft pink tissues in the mouth that hold our teeth in place. Root is the bottommost part of the tooth which is present inside the gums and it holds the tooth in its position. Types of teeth. Students, we have 4 main types of teeth present in our mouth, each performing a different function. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let's understand about these different types of teeth in detail. First is incisors or biting teeth. There are 8 incisors in our mouth, 4 each in the front of the upper and the lower jaw. These teeth help in biting and cutting the food. Second, canines or tearing teeth. There are 4 canines in our mouth which lies next to the incisors, one on each side in each jaw. These are sharp-pointed teeth which help us in tearing the food. Carnivorous animals like lion, tiger and even cats have sharp-pointed canines in their mouth which helps them to tear the flesh easily. Third, premolars or cracking teeth. There are 8 premolars in our mouth, 4 in each jaw. They are placed next to the canines. Premolars are used for cracking and crushing the food in pieces. Fourth, molars or grinding teeth. There are 12 molars present in our mouth, 6 in each jaw. They are bigger, broader and flatter than rest of the teeth. They help us in grinding and chewing the food. Students, the last molar on each side of both the jaws is called as wisdom tooth. They are 4 in number. Now let's recapitulate how many these different types of teeth are present in each jaw. Incisors. There are 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 incisors in the lower jaw. So in total we have 8 incisors in our mouth. Canines. There are 2 canines in the upper jaw, 2 canines in the lower jaw, and so in total we have 4 canines in our mouth. Premolars. There are 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So altogether we have 8 premolars in our mouth. Molars. There are 6 molars in the upper jaw, 6 molars in the lower jaw. And so in total we have 12 molars in our mouth. Students, as we keep our body clean by taking bath daily, similarly we need to rinse our mouth every time after eating food. Otherwise, the leftover food particles sticking to our teeth will allow bacteria to grow on them, causing tooth decay, which can result in damaging the pulp. The bacteria breaks the sugar into acids, which eat away the tooth enamel. This causes holes in the teeth called cavities. The nerves present in the pulp of the tooth senses the pain causing extreme toothache. Plaque is a gum disease that causes redness, swelling and sore in gums. So students, it is necessary to take care of our teeth so that they do not decay or fall. In order to keep our teeth in healthy conditions, we must brush our teeth properly with small round movements. Avoid to brush backward and forward as this can damage the gums. Use a soft toothbrush and dental floss to remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. Always choose a toothpaste which contains fluoride. It makes our teeth strong and protects them from cavities. Never swallow your toothpaste. Always rinse and spit after brushing. We should always rinse our mouth with water after every meal. Massage your gums with the thumb. Visit dentist after every 6 months for regular dental checkups. Eat healthy food like salads containing lots of raw vegetables, fruits to give exercise to your gums and teeth. Avoid eating food that are too hot, too cold, or too sweet. They damage our teeth and create cavities. Tongue. Students, tongue is said to be the strongest muscular organ of our body. It is a sense organ that helps us to detect the taste of the food which we eat. The upper surface of the tongue has tiny bumps or pores that contain taste buds. There are 4 different types of taste buds grouped in different areas of the tongue. These taste buds help us to identify sweet, salty, bitter, and sour taste. The taste buds which are present at the tip of the tongue in front help us to detect the sweet taste, like the taste of chocolate or any other sweet dish. The taste buds which are present on the sides of the front part of the tongue help us to detect salty taste. The taste buds which are present on the left and right side of the tongue help us to feel sour taste, like the taste of lemon juice, gooseberries, etc. And the taste buds which are present on the back side of the tongue help us to detect bitter taste, like the taste of pepper, bitter gourd, etc. Taking care of tongue. Students, our tongue helps us in speaking and in moving the food particles in our mouth while eating. In order to maintain a good oral hygiene, we must take care of our tongue as well. We must clean our tongue gently with the tongue cleaner every morning in order to avoid bad breath. We must avoid eating too hot and too spicy food as they can cause blisters on the tongue. Students, lisp is the condition in which the tongue touches our teeth when we say the words with s sound. In this situation, the words do not sound clearly. So students, in this way today we learnt about teeth and tongue. Hope you learned something new in today's class. Do give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this tutorial with your classmates. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep learning.